Maintaining a clean underside of the bus is of paramount importance in ensuring the overall longevity and performance of the vehicle. Regular use of the undercarriage blaster will help resolve problems arising from several factors like the following: preventing corrosion. Road salts, debris, and chemicals accumulate on the underside, inviting problems. Regular cleaning inhibits corrosion, preserving their structural integrity and extending the bus's lifespan. Enhancing safety. A clean undercarriage facilitates easier inspection of vital components, allowing for early detection of potential issues. This proactive approach enhances overall safety by identifying problems before they escalate. Optimizing performance. A clean underside supports optimal performance by reducing excess weight from accumulated debris. This aids fuel efficiency and ensures the vehicle operates at peak levels. Facilitating repairs and maintenance. Cleaning provides clear visibility for maintenance and repair tasks. Technicians can identify problems, leaks, or damaged parts more efficiently, streamlining maintenance procedures. Preserving resale value. Regularly cleaned and well-maintained vehicles typically have a higher resale value. A clean underside conveys the vehicle's care and attention to maintenance, appealing to prospective buyers. Compliance with regulations. Many regions have regulations mandating the cleanliness of commercial vehicles. Complying with these regulations is essential to avoid penalties and maintain a positive reputation. Aiding in diagnostics. A clean undercarriage allows for better assessment during diagnostic procedures. It helps in accurately identifying issues, reducing diagnostic time, and facilitating a more precise resolution. In summary, keeping the underside of the bus clean is integral to promoting safety, performance, longevity, and compliance. It's an investment that pays off in the form of enhanced efficiency, reduced maintenance costs, and a longer, safer life for the vehicle.
So what do you think about the new NS undercarriage wash?
It's beautiful because it works very well, but I hate working on it before we hit it. They was very nasty, hard to find leaks. Now, no problem in finding leaks.
Excellent. Is it better to work under a clean bus in general?
Oh yes sir, anytime.
Very good. Well, thank you very much.
Very well.